Welcome to Coding Next's Coding Extracurricular Program, where young minds transform into future-ready tech leaders. Our program is designed to nurture entrepreneurship, problem-solving, teamwork, and competition readiness, empowering students with essential skills for the digital era. Designed for kindergarten to high school students, our program offers 3 exciting tracks: game development, techpreneurship, and robotics, each providing structured learning and ensuring age-appropriate skill development. Unlock creativity through game design. Students will develop their own games using Minecraft, Roblox, and Unity, gaining hands-on experience in coding, game mechanics, and user experience design. Key skills: programming, game design, user experience, teamwork. Turn ideas into reality. This track introduces students to technology and entrepreneurship, covering tech product development, mobile apps, artificial intelligence, and business planning. Students will learn how to create innovative products and take them to market. Key skills: entrepreneurship, product development, business planning, AI integration. Build, code, and innovate. Our robotics program provides hands-on learning in robotics engineering, coding, and IoT integration. From beginner to advanced levels, students explore AI-powered robotics and problem-solving through technology. Key skills: robotics engineering, coding, problem-solving, IoT, AI integration. Each track is structured into 10 engaging sessions per term, with 3 terms per year, ensuring continuous learning and skill development. We integrate real-world applications and sustainable development goals, SDGs, into our curriculum, inspiring students to innovate, create, and lead in the world of technology. Are you ready to shape the future? Enroll in Coding Next's Coding Extracurricular Program today. Visit our website or contact us to learn more. Let's build the future, one code at a time.